Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the Expedition 33 picture source and ensuring access. This saves time later. Once you know whether images live on a cloud, archive server, or local disk, sign in and verify permissions. Make a working folder and check free space so transfers don't fail midway. If file lists exist, scan them now to estimate total size. That guides your transfer method. Now that prerequisites are set, begin listing and queuing the first files for retrieval. Now you perform the heavy lifting. Download in managed batches to avoid timeouts. Use rsync, Cloud SDK, or a sync client and run transfers in logical chunks by date, folder, or file type. After each chunk, verify integrity with checksums or compare file sizes. Log results so you can resume accurately. If a transfer fails, retry only the failed items rather than restarting everything. Once most batches complete, assemble a master index of file names and metadata for easier organization. To finish, consolidate the images into your final folder structure, apply tags or metadata, and make at least one verified backup copy. If you encounter corrupted or missing pictures, rerun the transfer for those specific files and compare checksums. If redownload still fails, check source permissions or storage integrity. Make sure timestamps and file names match expected patterns. This speeds validation. Finally, run a quick browse to confirm all images open correctly and note any anomalies for follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.